Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. In this video, I'll start my topic 2.4, which is laws of exponents, indices, base and exponent. First we need to know what is base and what is exponent. As you can see in the exponential notation, an, we read it as a is the a to the nth power. We call a as base and n as the exponent or the power to which the base is raised. We can write any number here, any power of a. From this definition, we have different laws of exponents. As you can see here, we have 7 laws of exponents. The first one is, if we multiply two values of exponents, then we add their exponents. am into an is equals to a power m plus n. A power m over power n is equals to, we can multiply these two powers or exponents. Similarly, if we have ab whole exponent n, then we can separate them an as bn, an or bn. If a by b power n, then we can separate them an over bn, where b is not equals to 0 because this is defined. Am over an is equals to, when we have any two values in quotient form, then these values can be written as m minus n. If it goes from this side to this side, then we subtract the exponent values a m minus n. A is not equals to 0. Similarly, 0th power of any real number is equals to 1, where a is not equals to 0. Also, a's power minus n is equals to 1 by an. This minus indicates that a is in the quotient form, where a is not equals to 0. These are the applications of laws of exponents. Examples. We see in these examples, using these laws, that we can solve this type of equation. The first one is x minus 2, x minus 3, y power 7 over x power minus 3, y power 4. So we add these two exponents using this property, and after adding we get this side of equation, and you can see this is in the quotient form. So using the quotient property of exponents, we get x power minus 3. As you can see, we change the position this to this side. So x power minus 3 plus 5, y power 7 minus 4, y cube over x square, using this quotient formula. Similarly, we have this 4a cube b0 over 9a power 5 whole power minus 2. B power 0 is equals to 1. So we can add these two exponents using the exponent formula. 3 minus 5, 3 minus minus 5, minus minus plus, so 3 plus 5. 4a 3 plus 5 into 1 over 9 whole power minus 2. This is 8. If we change the position 9 and 4 a power 8, this sign change its position. As you can see, 4 a power 8 over 9 power minus 2, and if we change the position, this minus 2 changes position to plus 2. 9 square is equals to 81, 4 square is equals to 16, a power 8 into 2, 16, using this quotient formula. This is the example 2. Simplify the following by using laws of indices. The first one is 8 by 125 power minus 4 by 3. So we use law of indices. We change this position of 8 and 125, and this sign change its position 4 by 3, and we can separate them using this quotient formula. So 125 power 4 by 3 and 8 power 4 by 3. Further, you can write it as 5 power 3 into 4 by 3, 2 power 3 into 4 by 3. So this 3 is cancelled with this 1 by 3, and we get 5 raised to power 4 over 2 raised to power 4, which is equals to 625 over 16. Similarly, in this example you can see we will take 3n common from this side. 3n, 3, the rest entries are 3 minus 1, which is 2. 3 power n, 3 power n, we can cancel them. So 4 by 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4. So we get the answer 2. Thank you.